Hey there. Let me ask you this. Have you ever struggled with communicating your sales presentation, your value proposition, your marketing message, and have the other person on the other side of the table, maybe it's a dinner conversation, have them just kind of go, uh-huh, uh-huh, and their eyes go this way, not this way. They're like, huh, oh yeah, uh-huh, uh-huh. But you know they're not getting it. Well, what we do here at AdToons is we take those blank stares and turn them into, okay, I see it now. I care. Tell me more. But we do it in an automated way where we can put our videos up on your website, put them in brochures, put them in marketing material, and do it in an automated way so that when people come into your website, they understand what it is you do. And if you are in these industries where you're communicating with people belly to belly and you see their blank stares and the information just going over your head, we've seen that in technology, financial services, apps, software, and many other businesses. And those are our areas of focus because we know we can take the complex and make it super simple for folks. So if that's something, if that's a business or a niche that you're in, that you know beyond a shadow of a doubt, if you just had something to communicate your message, we can take a 30-minute, 40-minute conversation, truncate it down into 2 and 3 minutes, and have people understand, light bulbs are going off, they're seeing the value in what you do, and they're also seeing how they can apply it to their own business. And that's really the magic of AdToons. And so my name is Vince Palco. I'm the founder of AdToons, and that's what we do. We take the written word with visuals and we combine them together in an AdToon that really engages your audience and gets them to understand quickly and effectively. And the audience retention rates that you can see on YouTube, where you can see them every day, are through the roof on our videos. We can hold people's attention up to 3, 4, 5 minutes and beat talking head videos, beat fancy PowerPoint slides, beat fancy text animation videos, and have a blast doing it. So if that's of interest to you, run over to AdToons, that's AdToons.com, and get signed up in our newsletter. You can see some free reports on the website along with a couple other freebies, or if you want to just have a conversation, you can sign up for a free consultation and do a strategy session with us, and we would love to hear more about your business and what you do. So if that's of interest and you know that you need to simplify your message, come see us. All right, I look forward to meeting you.